In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable desktop notifications for WhatsApp Web. If desktop pop-ups and message previews keep interrupting your work, this quick walkthrough will help you silence them right from WhatsApp Web. We'll start by opening your preferred browser and searching for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result for web.whatsapp.com so you know you're in the right place. If your browser asks about notifications at this point, don't worry. We'll handle the app's notification setting in just a moment. Next, log into your WhatsApp account. You can do this by scanning the QR code shown on the page with your phone or by using your phone number if that option appears for you. For the QR method, open WhatsApp on your phone and use the Linked Devices feature to scan the code on your computer screen. Either way, follow the on-screen prompts until your chats load in the browser. Give it a few seconds. Once your chat list appears, you're signed in and ready to adjust your settings. Now, let's head to Settings in WhatsApp Web. Look toward the top of the chat list for the menu icon, often shown as 3 dots, and select Settings. This opens a compact menu designed specifically for the web version, where you can manage your account, appearance, and alerts. Inside Settings, choose Notifications. This is where WhatsApp Web controls desktop alerts. You'll see a switch labeled Show Notifications. Toggle this off. When you turn it off, WhatsApp Web will stop sending desktop pop-ups and banners from this browser, so messages won't break your focus. If your browser had previously been granted permission to show notifications, this switch ensures WhatsApp itself won't use that permission. A couple of tips as you confirm the change. First, the setting applies to the browser and profile you're using now. If you use WhatsApp Web in a different browser or user profile, you'll want to make the same change there when needed. Second, if you still see a prompt from the browser asking to allow notifications in the future, you can simply ignore or dismiss it since you've already disabled them within WhatsApp Web. That's it. You opened WhatsApp Web, logged in, went to Settings, opened Notifications, and turned off Show Notifications. From now on, your chats will stay available in the browser without desktop interruptions, and you can re-enable the switch anytime if you want alerts back. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter, more focused workspace.